Starting your own business is a great idea because it gives you the chance to control your own future and follow your passions. It allows you to make your own decisions and potentially earn more money. Plus, with the world changing so quickly, there are many new opportunities out there. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 businesses to start this year. We'll explore ideas that are in demand and have the potential for growth. Let's jump in and find the right opportunity for you this year. Starting a dog walking business is a fantastic opportunity, especially if you love animals. If you're passionate about dogs, this venture allows you to spend time with them while earning extra money. It's perfect for young people looking to make some cash on the side. You can set your own hours, making it easy to fit dog walking around school, part-time jobs, or other commitments. One of the best aspects of a dog walking business is that you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. Anyone can jump in. Whether you're a student seeking a summer project or someone eager to build a small business, dog walking is a great entry point. All you need is a love for dogs, a bit of energy, and a willingness to take them for walks. Additionally, running a dog walking business helps you connect with your community. You'll meet pet owners, make new friends, and build a network of clients. This can lead to other opportunities, like pet sitting or dog training, as you expand your business. Overall, starting a dog walking service is a simple and rewarding way to earn money while doing something you truly enjoy. Starting a digital marketing services business is a great opportunity for anyone looking to earn money. The amount you can make depends on your skills and how well you can help your clients market their products and services. If you have the right skills, you can build a successful business. Digital marketing includes many different services, so you can choose what you want to specialize in. This could be creating content for social media, managing social media accounts, running paid ads, or sending email marketing campaigns. With so many options and even more learning materials online, you can find a niche that you enjoy and are good at. One of the best things about this field is that you can start as a freelancer. This means you can take on clients and work on projects on your own schedule. As you gain experience and build your client base, you can scale up to a full-time agency. This could involve hiring employees to help you manage the workload and offer more services to your clients. There is a huge demand for digital marketing services because nearly every business needs help with online marketing. This means you shouldn't have a hard time finding clients. Small businesses and larger companies alike are always looking for ways to reach more customers online. However, it's important to keep in mind that you need to have some online skills to succeed. You'll also need to deliver results for your clients. This means staying up to date with the latest marketing trends and tools, as things are always changing in the digital world. If you are willing to learn and work hard, starting a digital marketing business can be a rewarding way to make money and even grow into a larger agency in the future. Starting a lawn care business is a great idea because many people don't have time to take care of their yards. Homeowners often need help with their lawns, creating a good opportunity for you to offer your services. With more houses being built, you shouldn't have trouble finding clients in your area. There will always be people looking for lawn care, whether they are new homeowners or busy families. You can start by offering basic services like grass trimming. This is a good way to begin and learn the business. As you gain experience, you can add more services like landscaping or fertilizing. You can start your lawn care business right in your neighborhood. This is a good way to get going because you know the area, and neighbors can help spread the word about your services. As your business grows, you can buy better tools and hire employees to help you take on more work. Keep in mind that lawn care is a seasonal business, so you'll need to plan your services for the whole year. While you will focus on lawn maintenance in the spring and summer, you can also offer snow removal in the winter. This helps keep your business running all year round and gives you a steady income. Becoming a bicycle mechanic is a great choice for people who love bikes. If you enjoy fixing things and helping others, this could be the perfect business for you. In big cities, more people are using bikes because they are a cheap and easy way to get around. As more people ride bikes, they will need someone to help keep them in good shape. You can learn how to be a bicycle mechanic online for free or at a low cost. There are many videos and courses that show you how to fix different bikes. This makes it easy to get started, even if you don't have any formal training. Just keep in mind that this business can be seasonal. In some places, Fewer people ride bikes in the winter, so it may be harder to make money during that time. To help with this, you could offer services like bike storage, maintenance checks, or sell winter bike accessories to keep your business going all year. Becoming a handyman is a great choice because people always need help fixing things in their homes. Many people don't have the time or skills to do repairs themselves, so they look for someone to help them. You can start your handyman business in your neighborhood, making it easy to find clients. As you get more experience and people hear about your work, you can grow your business and hire more help if you want. You do need some skills to be a handyman, but it's not hard to learn them. You can take online courses, watch videos, or practice by doing small repairs on your own. Even though many people are learning new skills online today, there will always be a need for manual work. Starting a handyman business can be a good way to make money without working in an office. You can work with your hands and help people at the same time. Every business needs systems and software to help manage its day-to-day operations. Thankfully, there's IKOL. With IKOL, you get everything you need to run a successful business online in one affordable package. First, you'll receive a professional website that showcases your products and services and makes it easy for potential customers to learn about you. This is important because a good website helps build trust and attracts more clients. In addition to a website, IKOL includes an invoicing system that allows you to create and send invoices easily. This helps you get paid faster and keep track of your finances without the hassle of paperwork. You'll also get a booking system that lets your clients schedule services online, saving you time and reducing missed appointments. If you're planning to sell products, IKOL offers e-commerce features that enable you to set up an online store. This means you can sell your goods directly from your website, expanding your reach and boosting your sales. You also get a client management system that helps you keep track of all your customer information in one place. This makes it easy to manage relationships and provide better service. IKOL is designed to be beginner-friendly, so you don't need any advanced knowledge or complicated plugins to set it up and use it. The easy-to-use interface means you can start managing your business right away without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, the best part is that you'll get an AI-powered chat feature that helps turn your website visitors into well-informed customers. This chat can answer questions in real time, guiding potential clients and helping them make decisions. This feature means you can engage with visitors even when you're not available, increasing the chances of converting them into paying customers. If you want to try it out, click the link in the description to get your free trial on the IKOL website. No credit card is required. This is a risk-free way to see how IKOL can help your business. In conclusion, we highly encourage you to start your own business. Taking this step gives you the freedom to create your own schedule, work on what you're passionate about, and build something that can provide for you and your family. When you run your own business, you have the chance to make your own decisions and pursue your goals without limitations. You can shape your work environment and create a brand that reflects who you are. Plus, the skills and experiences you gain along the way will be invaluable. With the right tools, like IKOL, you can set yourself up for success and make the process easier. So don't wait any longer. Take the leap and start your own journey today. Embrace the possibilities that come with being your own boss and enjoy the benefits of entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your business endeavors. IKOL, AI for Business.